就知道猜的要應天意了天哦。哦，there is it。哦，將你們下次觀察下啦。這個用戶推到那呀，the first runner-up for Miss Hmong University 2017。人哋呢神講嘅，我哋對唔到。First runner-up to Miss Hmong University, yeah, Tiffany Moore. Please take a step forward. Announce for the first runner-up for Mr. Hmong University. Make some noise if you want to know who is the first runner-up. Mr. Hmong University. And his name is Lu Yang! Autu Obihu Tante Na, Yo Autu Oyong Yang Luming Mo, Miss Hmong Universities, yeah, Mr. Hmong Universities. Last time I called the woman first, so this time I will call the man first. Thank you, Mr. Hmong University, 就從我拍個山來呀，俾條杜我都未好喎，杜馬上。And now I will be calling our Miss Hmong University's 2017. Right after they put this sash on here. Okay, young girl, Tashna Puyohube to Miss Hmong Universities. You ready for it? For this year, our Miss Hmong University 2017 is Pamela. Oh, don't forget your sash. Okay, 我一度只能呢，读到要读英的这半年，或者只能读到要读过和他们写差单着，读到要。Wait for it. All right, scream out the person who you think is going to take the Ultimate Supreme title. Okay, I'll make this very short and sweet for all of you tonight. The Ultimate Supreme winner for 2017 this year is... Congratulations! Thank you for Ultimate Supreme.